Hi kids! My name is A. My sound is A. Alligator. Alligator. Come on! Hello preschool A. I hope that you're doing great and you have watched our video. And are you excited to learn your phonics? Louder! Are you excited to learn your phonics? Oh yes, because I do. I am excited to learn the letter A. And letter A says A. A. Alligator says A. A. Alligator says A. A. So the sound of letter A is A. A. One more time, follow after me. Alligator says A. A. Alligator says A. A. Very good. Okay, without teacher's help, can you say it again? Oh yeah, very good. One more time, let's do it again. Alligator says A. 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 One more time. Alligator says A. 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 Very good! Yay! Don't forget, my name is A. My sound is A.